Uber thought it was buying a coding tool. Instead, it accidentally bought a compute monster. 5,000 engineers got access to AI. 4 months later, the entire annual budget was gone. Let's get into what actually happened because it's quite shocking. In December, Uber rolled out Claude Code across its engineering teams, and it wasn't a planned rollout, mind you. Instead, it was a pull-driven adoption. 32% of engineers were using it in December. By February, that number went up to 63%, and by April, the CTO said the entire AI budget was already finished because of usage-based AI. Uber has roughly 5,000 engineers. What they're running is pricing engines, matching algorithms, global logistics systems, all through AI agents. And every one of those tasks consumes tokens, as we know, which is where the cost factor has a field day. 92% of engineers using AI monthly, nearly 70% of code AI generated, 11% of pull requests opened by agents, 65,000 code changes per week. Uber even built its own agent stack, which had context pipelines, agent builders, multi-agent orchestration, which is actually like an autonomous software production at scale. Uber CTO Praveen Nepali Naga said, "I'm back to the drawing board." And he said this not because the AI failed, no, but because it worked remarkably well. And while Uber is burning budgets, Anthropic is printing revenue. The company just crossed $30 billion annualized revenue. It has beaten OpenAI, by the way, up from $9 billion at the end of 2025 in the same window. Claude Code alone, $2.5 billion ARR, 1,000 plus enterprises spending $1 million plus each, 80% of revenue coming from enterprise. And here's the really crazy bit. Investors reportedly lined up to value Anthropic at $800 billion. You know what they said? No. And unfortunately, this is the connection most people are missing. Uber's exploding costs are Anthropic's exploding revenue. Same phenomenon, different side of the equation. AI is no longer a fixed cost tool, right? It behaves like cloud compute in the early AWS days, unpredictable, elastic, and exponential when it works. This changes the constraint. The problem no longer underscores the fact that can AI replace developers? That already has happened. The problem now is, can companies afford the speed they have unlocked? And here, of course, is the front page take. Every enterprise is about to face this. The tools are too good to slow down. The costs are too fast to predict. And the companies that figure out cost control will move faster than everyone else still stuck in budget cycles. Please do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, keep your comments coming in because they matter to us. And of course, think AI, think AIM.